But if you're above that, then yeah, I think you are ready to buy Expert Advisor. But hello everyone and welcome back to Statira Trading. Today we're going to run you through our very own built EA assessment tool. Now we've designed this tool so that you get a better understanding of whether the algorithms that we're going to release at the end of the month is the right fit for you. So I will run you through this episode using our own EA assessment tool, and later after the episode you can find the link below and download it yourself. Now it's very important that you understand the basic information, so please answer the assessment tool honestly, and I'll jump right into it now. So to get our free EA assessment, you have to open up your web browser. I'm using Google, and type in the following: www.statiratrading.com/EA guide. Now, this link will be in the description of the video, so don't worry if you cannot spell it or get to it, the link will be there. From that, you get taken to this landing page where free expert advisor assessment, the future of automated trading, is yours. But not sure if the EA assessment is for you? Yeah, so basically all you need to do from this point is put your name in and your email address and sign up. This will then send you the EA assessment tool that we will go over next. Okay, so if you sign up to our free EA assessment, you will get an email from us. So please, when you do, check your spam folders, because it could come through the spam folders, because yeah, we're quite new. So you'll get this email saying you're on your way. You are now on your way to find out if EAs are right for you. So excited for your journey. Simply click on the link below and you'll be redirected to the material request. So you click on the link for the material. You will be taken to our readiness scorecard. So what you need to do here is you need to make a template of yourself, so then you can enter it. So please go to File, make a copy, and just I'll put YouTube user scorecard. You will just get a copy of that document, and you're just to go to the skill test button down here. Now here we have constructed a lot of different simple questions to see if you are ready to use our EA. Now these will include basic understandings of the basic mechanics of trading, like buy, selling, pips, which is obviously just the price and like different points of the price. Lots is what you use to buy and sell, leverage, spreads, margin, and brokers. If you're not too sure about any of this, please do just Google it and you'll get a basic understanding of the first two questions specifically. But obviously, if you don't know these answers, you put yes or no in the boxes. We have put little bits of notes where you say, for this one, you can find these basics everywhere online. Same with this one. You'll see different comments that we have left just to give you a slight brief introduction of what we're meaning by this, and it can really help you get on your way. So yeah, please do put in the boxes yes or no to whether you understand these, and this will construct a score out of 11. Once you've completed these boxes, you then move over to the trading scorecard, where this will tell you if you should use our EA or not. Now, before we get into this sort of thing, I must stress that this is one of the most important questions we have, because, do you have at least 10,000 euros, dollars, or pounds as starting capital in your trading account? Now, we've put this specifically because we only want you to benefit from what we're offering. We don't want you to start using this EA if you've not got enough capital, because at the end of the day, the cost of the EA will be quite high if you've got an account less than 10,000. So what I mean by this is, let's say the price of our algo is £150. £150 after a year is 1,800, meaning that even from £10,000, we would need to make over 18% for you to have a profit. Now, looking at our statistics, that should be possible most years. So it will be profitable for you if you do have £10,000 as starting capital, but we do really emphasize on dollar cost averaging within the system, because I would say definitely £10,000 is the minimum you should have before using our algorithms to make it profitable for you and make it worthwhile your time. So this is the most important question. If you answer no to this, then please do not carry on to the scorecard, because there is probably no point of you actually seeing if you're ready or not, because you will not have, you'll be undercapitalized for what is required for this algorithm. So this is the most important question within here. We only do this to obviously make it fair. We don't want to sell anybody algorithm if it's not going to benefit them, because then it's not beneficial for either of us at all. So yeah, once you've answered all these questions, just randomly put in some things here and we'll see what result you get, and we can base it on this parameter that we're inputting. Okay, so I've now inputted all the questions and our trade score. So you can see out the 11, we've achieved 6 of them and we require work on 5 of them. Now, this will give you a scoring percentage. So basically from the answers I've given, it's 55%. So we then drop down to the box and look where we lie into. So yep, we are within that 50 to 64%, needs improvement. So from this point, we would say consider delaying buying A and come back when you've improved on your weak areas. Now, we think this is important because we want you to understand the basics before getting into it, because we don't want you to use something that you don't understand, because nobody wants to do that. So, most of these areas are quick fixes that can be fixed online and just a little bit of education or a couple of YouTube videos. And then once you've seen that you've improved on those things, you go back, put into the scorecards. So, do you understand terms like drawdown, fear, and greed? If you went on YouTube or Google, you'd have said yes. Have you prepared yourself for the possible distribution of results? So yeah, what if you say you've done that? So even just filling in those 2 things will bring us up to, that's 73%, and within that would say competent, buy an EA now, but don't forget to learn more and improve your weak areas. So yes, even though that you would fall within that parameter of being able to buy it, we still heavily suggest looking into the areas that need worked on. So yeah, we give you that scorecard to tell you exactly where you are and if it's right for you. So please, if you fall into the 0 to 49%, please don't buy it yet. Go work on all the weak areas before you think about purchasing it. Same with the next one. Obviously, it shouldn't take too long for you to fix these things, but yeah, definitely anything below that 64%, please go back, do a little bit of research first, then come back and input it into the scorecard and see if you're ready. But if you're above that, then yeah, I think you are ready to buy Expert Advisor. Now, I hope this is a good explanation of how to use it. Obviously, I'm not going to go through all the meanings behind all of this, because when you get the EA yourself, you will see our short explanations, as I've said earlier, and you can base your answers off that, or you can go and do your little bit of research. Okay. So now you have access to our EA scorecard. Please answer all the questions honestly, and if the scorecard says you're not ready, please do the relevant research before using our algorithm Sequenti. Now, if you are interested and on the assessment it says you're the right fit, our beta launch is on the 28th of February this month. We're really looking forward to this launch, and it will be limited spots available. So please, if you're interested, sign up to the beta launch. If you've already added the EA scorecard, you should already be added to the listing. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and we'll see you in the next video.